Atish Davda, if I want shares in a hot pre-IPO technology company, I come to you over at EquityZen, right?
That's right. You just go on over to EquityZen.com. Any accredited investor is allowed to invest in these pre-IPO companies using our platform.
And how do you procure those shares? You're hanging around parking lots in Silicon Valley and promising things to employees?
Bars usually. No, we work with the company every single time. So these are employees of companies, these are early investors in companies, and these days companies are staying private a lot longer than they used to. And so what this means is that if you own shares in these companies and you don't want to wait 5 more years to have a baby or pay off your student loans, then you can come on over to EquityZen.com and we'll help you get your shares liquid.
All right, now what's in your portfolio right now? Do you got any Uber for me? Can I get some Uber?
Yeah, everyone's asking that question. Unfortunately, our clients do like to remain discreet. We don't like to share their information because they ask us not to. And because we walk in through the front door of these companies, we obviously want to respect their wishes.
And what happens if and when they go public? Do you hold on to the shares? Do you sell them immediately? How does your fund work?
So we are bound by the exact same restrictions, which is the 180-day lockup usually, as everyone else. When the company goes public, the investors that procured shares through our platform get the shares after the lockup, and it's their choice whether or not they want to sell it.
And what about the companies? They may have been real hot for a while, but they never end up going public. Do you just keep them within your portfolio, or is there some point where you just sweep them out?
Yeah, you know, it's one of these things where these companies at some point need to have an exit because the only companies that we work with are invested in by large institutional investors. So the way we look at it is the average accredited investor with a $20,000 check gets to look at Andreessen Horowitz and say, Andreessen Horowitz could be my lead investor. They've done all the work. And I trust that Andreessen Horowitz is a good investor. So I'm going to invest right alongside them.
All right, so accredited investors can invest with EquityZen. Tell me what kind of a place it should be in anyone's portfolio. This is some speculative stuff. Expect to lose, expect to win big. What can you expect with by investing in EquityZen?
What we do is what's called private placements. Private placements are by definition risky. They're less liquid than public markets are. And that means that there should be nowhere near the same allocation as what you put in the S&P. But that doesn't mean that they should be at 0. So there's a number in between there, and most investment advisors will put in a number in the low percentages. And for that kind of exposure, you really do have a chance of getting slightly uncorrelated returns in the market.
One more question. Is it all tech? Is it all the Ubers and the GoDaddies of the world? Or you got some biotech in there, maybe some energy? Because there are other companies out there, right?
There's tons of companies out there. We're starting off in technology right now. There are other companies that are on our platform that we just haven't released yet.
All right, you'll get them. Thanks a lot, Atish.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching The Street.